Online surveys are a convenient way to earn extra cash and achieve your financial goals quickly. Discover top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site offers different availability, age requirements, and payment methods, so choose wisely. Consider reputation, number of surveys available, and payout methods when selecting survey sites. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles, taking advantage of free offers, and prioritizing surveys with the highest payout rates. Best practices include creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software to ensure your security. Beware of warning signs such as membership fees, lack of customer reviews, and requests for private information, which may indicate potentially illegitimate survey sites. Surveys for money are legitimate and typically take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies value your feedback and pay individuals to take surveys to gather market research and consumer feedback. Start making money today by participating in online surveys.